Let's journey back in time and delve into the major happenings of 1964. January 11th, U.S. Surgeon General Luther Terry reports that smoking may be hazardous to health, marking the first such statement from the U.S. government. January 29th, the 1964 Winter Olympics begin in Innsbruck, Austria. March 8th, civil rights activist Malcolm X announces his departure from the Nation of Islam. March 14th, a Dallas jury finds Jack Ruby guilty of killing Lee Harvey Oswald, the alleged assassin of President John F. Kennedy. April 20th, Nelson Mandela makes his "I am prepared to die" speech at the opening of the Rivonia trial. May 1st, the first basic programming language is run on a computer at Dartmouth College. June 12th, anti-apartheid activist Nelson Mandela and 7 others are sentenced to life in prison in South Africa. June 21st, civil rights workers Michael Schwerner, Andrew Goodman, and James Chaney are found dead in Mississippi after disappearing in June. July 2nd, U.S. President Lyndon B. Johnson signs the Civil Rights Act into law. July 27th, Vietnam War. The U.S. sends 5,000 more military advisors to South Vietnam, bringing the total number of U.S. forces to 21,000. August 2nd, the Gulf of Tonkin incident occurs, leading to escalated U.S. involvement in the Vietnam War. August 28 to 30, the Philadelphia race riot begins, lead to 341 injuries and 774 arrests, one of the many race riots in the U.S. during the 1960s. September 24th, the Warren Commission releases its report, concluding that Lee Harvey Oswald acted alone in the assassination of President John F. Kennedy. October 10th, the 1964 Summer Olympics open in Tokyo, Japan. October 14th, Martin Luther King Jr. is awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his nonviolent resistance to racial prejudice in the U.S. October 17th, China conducts its first nuclear test, becoming the world's 5th nuclear power. November 3rd, Lyndon B. Johnson is elected as U.S. President, defeating Barry Goldwater. November 21st, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge in New York City, the world's longest suspension bridge at the time, opens to traffic. Our time travel through year 1964 ends here. Have insights or questions? Comment below, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe.